So now it starts to get exciting. So this section is all about YouTube and YouTube marketing and using YouTube as a traffic source for our affiliate marketing business. And honestly, this is my favorite traffic source. And I think, in my opinion, one of the easiest ways to make passive income online if you know how to do it right. And I highly recommend that if you choose one thing to focus on out of this course, you should focus on building a YouTube channel. And if you're scared, just face your fears and get out there and just start working on that, because the returns are massive. And I've not even scratched the surface of it yet, but I can just see how massive this is. And the amount of money that I'm making based on the amount of content which I've already put out is crazy. And I know I can take it up an even higher level than this. So in this module, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about starting a YouTube channel, about growing a YouTube channel, about how to create the videos, about what makes a good video. I'm going to explain how to make your video rank and some really good tricks on how to rank on the first page of YouTube and of Google. I'm going to give you everything you need to know about the YouTube algorithm and everything, so you can start producing good content and starting to monetize it and make some money from your affiliate marketing business with YouTube. So the reason why YouTube is so good is because it's the second biggest search engine. Not a lot of people know that, but obviously Google is the search engine, but YouTube's also a search engine because people go to YouTube to search for things. They search for reviews, they search for how to do things, they search for a lot of content, and that's a lot of people's first port of call. And the great thing about YouTube is it's much easier to rank at the top of YouTube with a video than it is to rank on Google with SEO at this moment in time. So it's a gold mine. And the other great thing about it is you can actually rank your videos on Google much easier as well. So even though people are coming to YouTube and using that as a search engine, it's much easier to get your video ranking on YouTube's homepage. So I'll just show you this really quickly. So I've created a video about Builderall. When you search Builderall in here, on the first page of Google, my video comes up. So obviously that's going to lead to a lot of traffic, and it's much easier to do that. And I'm going to explain in this module how to actually get your video to rank there and like the tricks behind that. And another great reason why YouTube is super important is because we're almost creating video assets. So when I put a video out there, it might take me a bit of time to produce and edit that video. But once that video is done and I put it on YouTube and I use my little tricks and stuff to rank it, get it ranking, then I leave that and that video can start to make me income. And it stays there and it stays there, and people come and view it because they're searching for certain terms. They watch it, they click on my links. So it's one of the best ways of generating passive income. And what you can do is you put one video out and that starts to bring in money per month. Like I've got some videos which are generating me like thousands of pounds per month. And then that video keeps generating your income. And then you produce another video and that starts to generate you some income. And then another video. And then after 12 months of producing videos, they're all bringing in you income. So it's almost like having assets, almost like having rental properties out there. And it can make you a lot of money. And that's not including the actual adverts that come via YouTube. I'm just talking from the what's it called? The affiliate links underneath the videos. So yeah, it's super powerful and one of the best sources of traffic for your affiliate marketing. And another great thing that we're doing with YouTube is we're building this subscriber list of people. So it's almost like building an email list, which I'm going to talk about later in the email section. But you're building a list of like fans basically that trust you and like you. So it's building this personal brand, which I talked about. So even though these videos are finding normal members of the public that might not be subscribed to you, some of those will subscribe. So when you do post a new video about something else, you're getting that core group of people which trust you, and they've signed up to a previous thing and they've made money with it, or it really worked. So then it gets so much more easier as well the more content you put out there and the more subscribers you start to grow. So I almost treat this like building my email list. You're building your subscribers list. So that's a really good thing about YouTube. So I'm just going to show you quickly just some of my videos and explain like how it works in regards to affiliate marketing. So like this video I put up recently, only 4 weeks ago, Instagram hack, how I got this many followers in 60 days. I've talked about this app previously, but this is a video I explain about how I grew my my Instagram, and then I mention I use this app just underneath the video. You'll notice in the description there's a link to a free trial to this app which I used. So I just do a call to action in that video, and then I've got thousands of people are signing up for this free trial, and then hundreds of, probably thousands now, are actually signing up to the paid plan as well, bringing in me income every month, and that's a membership-based product as well, so that starts to compound. And that's just one video. And then I've got other videos. So I did a video down here, like a builder role review, another builder role video. They're out there and people are seeing them and they're coming along and signing up. And yeah, so it's a great traffic source. So in this module, I'm going to talk you through like the how to start a YouTube channel, what you should be looking for when you're first starting your channel, and the type of videos you should be creating, as well as how to actually structure a good video and also how to make it rank. So everything's going to be covered in this module, right? So let's get into it.